Hey guys, it's me Olivia and
Ava.
and we made BB slime. So we just want to show you. And here's me like messing with mine, and then now we'll show you Ava. So we're gonna show you how to make it. But first, I'm gonna show you. So this is Ava's. It's really textured, but she doesn't have a lot of beads because as you could see, mine had tons. But sometimes the beads do fall out. And
The things we will need in this video to make the BB slime is honey, lotion, hand sanitizer, bowls, glue, flowels, beads, waddle, nail polish,
and a mixing bowl and your hands.
Don't be afraid to get messy.
So the finished product will be a little stretchy, and yeah, you'll be able to mold it. And it'll look like this. It should, depending on what you use.
Yeah.
So it's kind of bouncy, flexible, strong, and it holds when you hit it against your hand or any part of your body. Because of the beads. And everything makes it strong. So, bye guys. See you in the next video. Slime! And shout out in the next video, comment your favorite type of slime. Bye!